Welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institution. Student, myself Jitendra Bhatti. Today I am going to explain remaining part of this chapter. Yes. Today's topic is how to predict the periodic position of an element. That is periodic position of an element. Yes, in periodic position, first one is the period, then group number, and one more is the block study. So rule for first is the block. Block of the element. On the basis of block division, there are four type of element. It means element divided in four blocks: S, P, D and F block. So how will you decide the block of an element? Valence electron present in block is known as block of that element. For example, sodium, that is 11. First of all, electronic configured 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So last electron or valence electron present in S subcell. So block of the sodium is the S block. The S block. Okay. Now the chlorine is the 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3p5, sorry, 2, 4, 10, 12 and 17. So valence electron or last electron entered in p subcell. So block of the chlorine atom is the P block. Now, one more problem. 21, that is scandium. Electronic configured this one: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3p1. Now the valence electron entered in D subcell, so block of the element is the D block. So how will you find out the block of an element? Differentiating electron present in subcell is known as block of that element. Last electron, differentiating electron or valence electron. By this rule, you have to calculate the block of element. Yes. Now for second, how will you calculate period? That is period of an element. Maximum principal quantum number of an element is period of that element. Okay. Maximum principal quantum number. Yes. Take some example. Again, 12 for magnesium, 13 for aluminium, and 24 for chromium. Here 3 problems. So student, first of all, electronic configuration, this one, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d4. Yes, for chromium don't write its stable configuration. Only stable configuration written when only configuration, question for configuration. If question for periodic position or question for quantum number, then you have to write its ground state configuration. Excited is the 4s1 and 3d5. This one is a wrong due to in calculation of period, and this one is a right in period calculation. But when question is only for configuration, so this one is a right, this one is a wrong. Okay? So see here, maximum principal quantum number. Principal quantum number arises from this one. Okay? So which one is the largest number? Is the 3. So period is third. Okay, here 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. So there is also third period. Don't write in Roman number. Roman number represent only for the group is the third period. This one is also third period. Now in this chromium, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3. Which one is the maximum? Is the 4. So this period is the 4th. Okay. By this method, you have to find out the period of that element. Now, third rule is for group. This is important. Okay. Group information. There is 3 rules for the group calculation. First one is the if octet is complete. Okay. If octet is completed, excepting helium, which follow the duplet rule, then group number is 0 for all the element having complete octet, including helium, which follow the duplet rule. Group number is 0. Just taking some example. Helium is 2, neon is 10, argon is 18. See here, that is 1s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. 2 electron in first cell completed. Group number is 0. First completed, second is also completed, containing 8 electron, complete octet. again group number is 0. First 2, second 8, third one is also 8. So group number is also 0. So element having complete octet including helium. Here we write accepting due to octet, but helium follow the duplet rule because first cell is the last cell which contain maximum 2 electron. Okay, so by this method, first rule, you have to calculate the group number of such type of elements. Now second rule, second one is the if outermost cell is incomplete, then group number is number of electron present in outermost cell. Okay, here is the element. Just taking some example. Potassium is the third, 19, and sulfur is 16. One more example, oxygen is 8. Okay, this is the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s1. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. First cell is completed, second is also completed, third one is also completed. It's having maximum 18, but it contains 8 electron. This one is completed. But last cell is containing 1 electron. So group number is first A. How would you write A? Reason, in modern periodic table, group number also divided in subgroup, that is A and B. Here 2, 8 and 6. So group number is the 6th A. Here 2 and 6. Last cell is incomplete. So group number is again 6A. Okay. This is the second rule for the calculation of group element having outermost cell incompleted, and group number is the number of electron present in incomplete cell, that is group number. Now if two cells one is outer and one is penultimate. Do you know the meaning of penultimate? Penultimate, last before one. If two cells are incomplete, then group number is given by total number of electron in both incomplete cell minus 8. Okay, and write down in Roman number. Now take an example, that is 23 is the vanadium and 26 for iron. Now I have to calculate 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d3. And for this one is the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. Here 2, 8 and third one is containing 2 plus 6 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11 and fourth cell containing 2. Here 2, 8 and third cell containing 14 and here is 2. So how will you find out the group number for this one? Add both the electron 11 plus 2 and subtract by minus 8, comes out to be 5th. This is the 5th B. And here 14 plus 2 minus 8, that is 8. 14 plus 2, 16 minus 8 is the 8th group. A. This is divided in 8A. So how will you decide A and B? See here. Periodic table like this. Block wise study. S block, D block, P block and this one is the F block. This is the preview of the periodic table. S block containing 2 group, first A, second A. P containing 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the third A, fourth A, fifth A, sixth A, seventh A and 0. D containing 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This one is starting from third B. Third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B. This is the 8th. This is the 8th. A, B and C. Last one is the first B and second B. So last configuration is the S1 and S2. This one is the P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. Here is the D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9 and D10. So 3D3, D3 is the 5th B, mention the 5th B, and D6, D6 is the 8th A, so we write A. So this is all about this chapter. Now the chapter is completed. Revise it properly. Best of luck.